MC Passion. Can we celebrate MC Passion? MC Passion, the beast of Nigerian comedy. They came on in 2 seconds.
Lagos, what's up? They came on in. Did you fam? Lagos, what's up? They came on in. 2 seconds everywhere, boss. You like my dressing? I just joined court. I'm a courtist. You know my court name? Supreme Court. God, I beg you, I no come crack joke, I come complain. Election! My police unit dey lucky. Police wey dem send to protect us, na carry ballot box run. God, I beg you, na somebody pursue police. You cannot steal our mandate. Police blowing eye. Eyewitness, eye swell up. Eyewitness, no fit talk wetin I see again. No. God, I beg you. I sleep, wake up, I see petition. Sign. Yakubu cannot leave Nigeria. I sign. Sign. I sign. I don't know when I sign to join court. I sleep, wake up, see say we get meeting for bush. God, I beg you, I don't know. I don't know what I go sign. This country don't tire me. President, they owe China, citizens, they owe Pampe. Hey. God, I beg you. Hey. God, I beg you. Who do us? The way the country there now, all the girls, they pity them. You know why? Women, they find husband material, they find visa.
You are the suckers gonna send me leaky dust.
You don't read though. Teacher, where they teach students balanced diet, you don't drink garri 2 times. As everywhere don't rumble. For Bayelsa, during that flood, one landlord give tenants quit notice. Pack out, you cannot pay. 1 week later, flood come, there are 2 pack out. Did you find? Landlord no sabi swim, tenant sabi swim. Water won't kill landlord. Landlord hold tenant like say, help me. Forget about what I did to you. Tenant look and show you the 1 minute, guys. DJ, oh fam. This country don't tire me. You say make I buy designer's eyeglass 100,000. But I want to see where body never show me. What do I want to see again? Eh? Let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. It is your responsibility. If that can finish, the next day, you command the oxygen. Subsidy. And your mandate don't queue for filling station. Whether you be a Lupio, you be articulate, you be wait again, but all of us will take queue. 500 per 1 liter. I don't want on my friend. No call me for waka wey no get head though. Except you won't give me head.
Different from bad blue.
No. As I talk that as a motion, don't leave me. You see, I know like this country don't tire me. One of my friends, he called me. He said, my help and thank God. Say, what God cannot do does not. I said, what did God do? He said, buy bulletproof car, 400,000. I said, bulletproof? He said, yes. I said, you test them? He said, then you stone. I said, the fellow you talk, he died yesterday. Stray bullet kill him inside the motorway, wind up. Anything cheap, I avoid them. I saw one of my friends tell me, he said, if person they say, I can like your face, it go cheap. He said he buy deep freezer 7,000. I said they block. He said they get the block. 2 weeks later, he said the freezer won't kill you and wife. Say it shocked them. I said the price no shock you. You're not supposed to die. Now I want to say this: if you are a soldier here, hear me. The reason why we dey get accident for road sometimes on our military men. You don't see where soldiers are there for convoy. They fit blow horn for you. You enter Third Mainland Bridge water. I don't know what anybody does here. One day they come like may nobody dey road. Third Mainland Bridge. Now they come like they tell me say man move. I say what is it? Stay your lane. Now the man do me like this. I tell her say save the grace. Soldier pursue me reach in Yanoworo. Now I wake up from sleep. Can't go say na dream o. I for die. Hello? Hear me o. If you know say you never ready for marriage, leave Nigerian girls. Because the way the country dey now, if you toast them, you collect number, you collect your number. You no call am. 1 week later, he go call you. My brother toast girl 1 week later, the girl call am. You collected my number. Hope all is well. You have not kept in touch. My brother says, sorry, I've been busy. He said, God go busy for you. You think I'm a kid? There are some girls I can never marry in my life. I'm sorry. Any woman wey fit kill goat by himself. Goat wey dey alive, nobody assist you. You kill am. Successfully, goat die. What will be the difference between goat's neck and my own? Now your wife will get small problem. He will tell you, I'm looking at you. Hey, you are looking at me. Any woman will change light from generator to NEPA. TV no off. Hey, TV no off. If they change them for you, you know go dey okay. Look at me, baby. See, TV is supposed off. DSTV is supposed to load again. Who are you? When I want marry, now they say to see good wife now for church, not lie. He speak in tongues. We go sit out. I said, tell them what you care for. She ordered for harp and bullet. No be gun, man. Now when he asked, can I take shisha? I said, no problem. He started to smoke shisha. Smoke started to come out for his ear. God, I beg, I never marry generator. Hello, ladies, hear me. Men you cannot marry. Don't have any man, single man, where they drive Sienna. You know they do transportation business. You go car park, buy 7-seater car. Even if they carry your village people. I know why they talk. After marriage, 3 children if you come from Enugu. Hello? Any man wey say won't marry you, he reach traffic light, off engine, make fuel no waste. Before your mama go see 5,000, I swear. I love you. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, MC Passion.